Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latori and I'm here today to do an unboxing and review of Marc Jacobs Divine Decadence. So if you are interested in hearing my thoughts on this fragrance, then keep watching. So like I mentioned, today we are unboxing Divine Decadence by Marc Jacobs. And I have it right here beside me. I actually picked this up on Tuesday. Today is Friday. So it is still in the plastic. I wanted to unwrap it on camera so that it would be a true unboxing and I can give you my initial first impressions. So I'm going to take the plastic off now and get right into it. So this is the box. It comes in this beautiful like iridescent green color with gold lettering. The packaging is very pretty. And this actually is a blind buy for me. I'm familiar with Decadence by Marc Jacobs. My mom wears that a lot and it smells amazing. And so I wanted to check out Divine Decadence. This is a 100 ml bottle and I paid $40 for it, which is a great price for a designer fragrance. And I picked this up at TJ Maxx. I didn't go to TJ Maxx with the intention of buying a perfume, but you know how it is. You go in there, you start walking around and you just see things that speak to you. So in the box, this is the handle or the top for the fragrance. And I will show you what I mean in a minute. And this is the actual bottle. So it's a really, really pretty, almost like a jade, soft jade green color, the juice inside. And all of the Decadence fragrances, there are a few different scents in the Decadence line, and they all come in packaging that looks like a handbag. So I got all of the paper off, and this is how the top looks. And so when you put them together, this is what it looks like. And I can already kind of smell the fragrance, and it smells so good already. So we just have a really beautiful black tassel here. And the top is in like a faux snake skin with like different shades of green and the gold. This is really, really pretty. So I'm excited to put this on my perfume tray. So I'm just gonna spray this and let it air out a bit. This is much more floral than the original Decadence. The original Decadence to me is so beautiful. It's like rich. It's kind of, I would say like spicy, dark. It's a very well blended fragrance. I would say it's much more on like the sophisticated side. I think most people would lean towards wearing it like for an evening out, or like a special event, like something where you're really dressed up. My mom, she just wears it like as an everyday kind of thing because she's that kind of lady, and it smells amazing on her. And I know that's a fragrance that she gets a lot of compliments on, because I would be with her sometimes and people would stop like, oh my goodness, what are you wearing? This is not a oh my goodness, what are you wearing kind of scent. This is very floral. And if you are someone that has seen any of my other fragrance videos, you know that I am not a fan of florals. This, to me, it smells like white flowers. Like maybe lilies. I smell definitely something like honey. There's something in there that I kind of like, but it's not, it's overpowered by the flowers, and I can't do flowery things. Like flowery scents, it just makes me think of like old church ladies. Like, I don't like it. It smells like a garden, but that's nice for a garden, but that's not what I want to smell like. This is not something that I would ever reach for. And funny enough, my mom was here the day that I picked this up, and she had run out, or she no longer has Decadence. So I was like, we were talking about it a few weeks ago, and I told her I would get her a new one. So she saw this and she was like, oh, did you get that for me? I don't think she even noticed that it wasn't the original Decadence, because the original Decadence also comes in a green box. And so after smelling this, I don't think she would like this either, like at all. Like, I would not give this to her because I wouldn't want it because we like a lot of the same things. So I would not give this to her at all. I would just get her the original Decadence, like I said. Okay, so I am back with the notes, and just like I suspected, it has a lot of florals in it. So it is described as a bubbly, sophisticated floral scent, and it's classified as an oriental floral, and that is not something that I am a fan of at all. I know this, but because I was in the store shopping, usually I'll like Google a fragrance before I pick something up if I'm in like TJ Maxx or something like that and I can't smell it before I buy it. But I was with someone. You know how it is when you're like shopping and you're with someone and you can tell they're ready, but you're not really ready. So I had to just kind of grab and go. So I didn't get a chance to Google what the notes were, but had I read the notes ahead of time, I would not have purchased this. So the top notes are champagne, orange blossom, and bergamot. The middle notes are honeysuckle, which I can definitely smell, hortensia, and gardenia, which is the white flowers that I was picking up. And the base notes are vanilla, saffron, and amber. I don't get any of that. I only smell those middle notes, which are all of the florals, and that it doesn't do anything for me. It is described as like a floral, what's the word? Spicy floral. And I'm not getting the spice. I love spicy scents, and this is not spicy. Like, as it dries down, it reminds me a little more of the original Decadence, but I would much more rather have the original Decadence than this one. Just because those florals are a bit off-putting to me when I first spray it, and anything that I have in my collection, I want to spray it and love it. I don't want to have to wait, you know, for it to dry down and settle in and be like, oh, this is nice. I want to love everything that I have. So like, on the dry down, it's not bad. Like, it's bearable. Like, if someone gave it to me as a gift, I would reach for it occasionally, but because it's something that I bought with my own money, I wouldn't feel bad just, you know, returning it, or like, that's the thing, I wouldn't want to give this to someone because I don't love it, and I would hate to give someone something that I didn't love unless I knew for a fact that it was something that they did, you know, love. So I don't think this is something that I want to keep, because it's just every time I smell it, I smell the honeysuckle and I smell the gardenia, and those are not notes that I like in this mixture, this blend. It's not doing it for me. So for me personally, I would give this a 4 out of 10. It's not unpleasant. I think it's something that a lot of people would love if they are a fan of floral scents. But just for me and what I like to wear and what I like to smell like, it just doesn't do it for me at all. And I'm actually very disappointed, because this is the first Marc Jacobs fragrance that I've had that I do not like. Like I said, I love the original Decadence. Daisy, which is actually a floral scent, I love. And this, this is not it. Like, I just don't, the way that it comes together is kind of, something about it is off-putting to me. So when I was looking up the notes just now, I was kind of glimpsing over the reviews, and a lot of people love this perfume. I saw a lot of raving, like, supporters of this fragrance. So for me personally, it is not something that I would ever choose to wear, but I know it is, based off of the reviews, like I said, that I glimpsed over, that a lot of people really like this. So if you are a fan of florals, I don't know why I can't get that out. It's like a tongue twister, but if you are a fan of floral scents, then you would probably like this one. I would recommend that you try it. But if you know that you are not someone that like florals, particularly white florals, I would not recommend this for you at all. As a blind buy, like if you have the opportunity to try it and you like it, of course, go for it, wear what you love. But this is not something that I love. And it's a shame because it's such a beautiful package. So pretty. And funny enough, the bottle just says Decadence. It doesn't say Divine Decadence. I don't know if all of the flankers just say Decadence and that's just how they are. But this bottle just says Marc Jacobs Decadence. And it does not smell like Marc Jacobs Decadence to me. So yeah. So those are my initial thoughts on the scent. Like I said, if you are someone that loves florals, I would recommend that you try it out. If you know that you are not, I would leave this one to the girls who love the flowery scents. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not seen any of my other fragrance videos, I will link some of them down below. Please be sure to leave me a comment if this is something that you've tried, or if you tried any of the other Decadence scents. Please let me know which one you think I would like or which ones you enjoy. Leave me a comment below, like, and subscribe. I think I'm going to start posting fragrance videos every Friday, just have like a Fragrance Friday sort of thing going. So make sure you hit that bell notification so that you know exactly when those uploads are available to view. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.